Right, we are doing 8.2. Now we need to find the length of BC. BC is over, well, C is there, B is there. So BC is the length between our two x-intercepts. Okay, so here's a x-intercept, which is C. Here's the x-intercept, which is B. BC is the length between the two. Right, so in order to find the length of that, we need to find out two x-intercepts. In the previous video, we found the general equation, which is up there. How to find your x-intercepts, you need to make y 0, right? So for x-intercepts, y must equal to 0. We know, as we've said, this whole thing is y, so we're going to say 0 is equal to minus x squared minus 4x and plus 21. Right, this is a nice trinomial. Basic, the negative, I don't like it, so I'm going to divide everything with minus 1. So I'm dividing everything, so that means even what's on the left hand side, everything gets divided with minus 1. So that changes all my signs. The 0 is going to stay as 0. This is going to become x squared. This is going to become a positive 4x, and our 21 is now a negative. Right, how to factorize that? So factors of 21 is going to be 1 and 21. 2, well, that's a 27. 2 can't go in there. 3, yes, 3 and 7. 4 can't go in there, 5 can't go in there, 6 can't go in there, 7 can, and we already have 7, so we have all of our factors. Any of these pairings get you the plus 4. This pairing can get you the plus 4. So we will have two brackets, right, x and x, 3 and 7. Our signs, this is a negative, so our signs will obviously be different. We need a plus 4, so it's going to be a plus 7 and a minus 3. If you don't know how to do the factorization, then you need to go look back at one of the videos where we deal with factorization. Okay, so both of these are equated to 0. So this is going to be x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 on both sides, so x equals 3. And on this side, x equals negative 7. Now sometimes we go straight to this, like we've done on the right hand side here. I like to show this because a lot of times the learners get confused from how this one got to this one, and then they give me weird answers, like they'll say x is equal to minus 3. But remember, it is this bracket that we're equating to 0, and then we manipulate to find out what x is. Okay, so obviously if the one is positive and the one is negative, then b, which is on this side, is going to have to be the positive value, and the negative one is going to have to be on that side. Right, so now the distance between these 2 points, how do you find distance? How do you find the difference between 2 points? By subtracting. Right, so the difference between these points is going to be 3 minus 7, which is going to give us 10. Okay, so we can say BC is equal to 10 units. Right, I think we're going to cut that here because this might just take some time.